Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, welcome. Uh, I'm happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put new content out. And I got just getting oh, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to see you in my kitchen. So I got my coffee today, and I just grabbed the Amazon Colombian coffee pod. Just getting up, it's 9 o'clock. I don't know what happened with me last night. I just suddenly got so freaking cold. It was horrible. It's not cold here at all, so yeah, I don't know what that was. I turned the air off. I covered all up. My fingers and toes felt like ice cubes. I could hardly move my fingers. I was freezing. So then when I started warming up, I ended up having a headache. So I just took my evening meds and went to bed. So this morning I could tell I'm kind of wrung out. I don't feel like I have much energy, so nothing much going on today. Here is the start of a holiday, 3-day holiday weekend, so happy Labor Day to everyone here in the States. I hope you're able to enjoy some family time and have a couple days to sleep in and just do just do things that bring you joy. So that's my hope for all of you over this holiday weekend. Do things that bring you joy. So I haven't planned out anything for my supper yet. I do want to try the new air fryer again. My dinner last night, in case you guys missed it, was so good. It was amazing. I can't eat veggies like that very often. If I do it just once in a while, it won't make me, those vegetables won't make me too sick. So I'm hoping that I have an okay day today. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, nothing much going on. I have a couple phone calls I have to make. But I did finish my painting, so when I edit the video out, I'll show you guys the finished product, and I started a second one. So this one's much bigger than the other one. It will take some more time to get done. But yeah, I think that's all I got for right now. My stovetop burner came yesterday. The propane is coming today, so thank you so much, Tackling the Giants. That was an important hurricane prep that I didn't have. I had no way of cooking anything if the power goes out, and we're just starting storm season. We have a long way to go, so I am sure at some point I'm going to need that. I will do an unboxing of that and show you which one I got, and if I can find it again, I will leave a link for it down below. I think I already cleared it out of my Amazon wish list. I will be updating that list today. I took off the things that I had gotten, so I will do some online browsing and find some other things that might make my life a little easier, or things that I enjoy doing. So that's it for right now. I'm going to finish my coffee and watch some YouTube videos here for a little bit and then work on my phone call. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, YouTube, this is my finished diamond painting. It only took me a couple of days. It actually took 3 days, but one day I was too sick to work on it, so I think it's very pretty. The camera, though, really does not show how sparkly it is. Yeah, it's just a really nice hobby. You can find these on Amazon and Temu. Wish sells quite a few of them. Temu has some really cheap ones of about this size for like under $2, so they're not that expensive. They come with everything you need. So yeah, it's my diamond painting. Hello YouTube, it's now going on 5:30, 6 o'clock. We are getting quite the storm. Let me spin you around and show you what it's doing outside. So yeah, right now it's storming almost worse than what it did during the hurricane. So it's just really dark and the trees are really blowing. Oh my God, what a day. I am exhausted. Thank God my new pain medicine came, because it's been horrible. I just can't even begin to process what all happened today. So a friend of mine from church came over to finish putting the grab bar up in my bathroom by my shower, so that way I have a bar on the outside to grab onto if I need it. The other bar had pulled loose, so he did a great job fixing that. And then he went to power wash. My front porch had gotten really molded from water dripping from my air conditioner during the months while I was gone. So I should have warned him that the faucet attached to the house by the front porch was very fragile. I forgot to say anything. He went to undo the hose, and the entire piece broke off of the house. Water gushed everywhere for well over an hour. We called the water company. They were going to try to send someone out to help us find our shutoff valve, because he looked all over. The workers working on the house across the street came over and tried to help and walked the entire yard and could not find where the shutoff valve was. So I was frantic and didn't know what I was going to do. Everyone who would have known where that shutoff valve was up north, so I couldn't call. I called and asked my sister. She had no clue where it was. Oh, we did finally find it at what was where I kind of thought it would be, along the the along the this side of the house where my laundry room is. I thought was where that valve was. It was just covered up by grass, so everyone missed it. So we got the water turned off, thank God. Okay, it just gushed like a river for over an hour. So he went and got the pieces needed to fix that pipe so that I would have a faucet there again. So he came back and fixed it and got it glued, and it has to sit 2 hours before the water can be turned back on. So right now the water to the house is still turned off. I haven't had water for about 4 hours now. And he'll probably have to wait till after the storm before he can come back and mess with turning the water and stuff back on for me. So I get that. And then he said he'll come back out tomorrow and power wash my porch off, because we didn't get to it today. So it's, in the meantime, my car was parked really close to where the faucet was, and he needed to get in there to work on it to fix it. So my car hadn't been started since January, right after I started getting sick. So I figured it wasn't going to start, but I gave him my keys. I said, try to start it. If it doesn't start, I'll call Geico and have them come out and jump start it for me. So it wouldn't start. So they sent a driver out. He put his little electric box thing on the car battery. It fired right up. He let it run for a few minutes. It told me, of course, to let it run for a while, which I knew I would have to. And he went to take his box off of the battery. As soon as he took that box off, the car quit. Put it back on, let it run about another 5 to 10 minutes. Took the box off, and the battery quit. So I had to call. Well, I had to use my app and do another ticket for Geico to come out and tow my car to the garage so it could be worked on. The towing place never got the ticket order from Geico, so she called Geico, had Geico call me, and went ahead and put the ticket order in. The tow truck was there in less than 30 minutes as soon as she put that ticket order in. I told him where I wanted it to go. The garage that I use has 2 locations now, which I didn't know about the second location. So the tow truck driver took it to the wrong shop. I called the shop I always take my car to. They had no clue where it was. I was frantic because all of a sudden I had no idea where my car was. Well, I ended up getting a call from the one from their other location, saying that they had the car. So they took the car back to the shop I intended it to go to, and they will get to it probably Tuesday, which is fine because I can't drive right now anyway. If you're taking any kind of narcotic pain medicine, you're not allowed to drive. And I did start taking taking morphine twice a day. So it was no big deal to me that they couldn't start working on it till Tuesday. At least I know where it is, and I know this garage takes good care of the cars that's at their shop. So, oh my God, you guys, what a stressful day. Since my water's off, I'm using my DoorDash certificates that I got from the meal train before I had to shut the meal train down. So I am so grateful I had those credits to use, because having the water, I wasn't gonna cook and make a big mess for my dinner. I had set some chicken out to thaw, but I put it in the refrigerator. I'll do something with it tomorrow. I've been really hungry for Chinese, and the Chinese place that I usually get food from was closed. So I think maybe I'll make some orange chicken tomorrow. So instead, I decided to try a new barbecue place. So I ended up getting some ribs and some French fries, baked beans, and onion rings. So I'm waiting on that to come. And I'll put that in my video tomorrow. I'll show you guys I'll give this a taste test and see how it is. They had really good reviews, and the prices were very good. It was like $25 for an entire rack of ribs, so I didn't think that was bad at all, plus the 2 sides. And then I added the onion rings, so I didn't think that was bad at all. So I guess that's it for now. So for on tomorrow's update, I am not doing anything tomorrow. Let me tell you, after the day I've had today, I just need to rest my body now because of all the pain medicines. Just stresses out so easy, and I just really tense up inside and I cry over the least little thing, so you can imagine what it was like for me with the river of water gushing from my house and then with my car. So I'm just going to spend tomorrow laying in bed and watching TV, watch some movies. Maybe I'll watch Bugs Bunny. I like Bugs Bunny. Actually, my favorite is Daffy Duck, because he makes no pretenses on who he is. He freely admits that he's a greedy slob, and he's not ashamed of it. So I really like Daffy Duck. I think almost better than Bugs Bunny. And I like Yosemite Sam for the same reason. He loses his temper and then he gets over it. So I like Yosemite Sam as well. But that's it. I'm gonna I gotta make sure to show you guys my finished diamond painting, so I want to do that. But yeah, I'm just done. I really am. So I appreciate my friend helping me out and fixing everything, because the pipe breaking was not his fault. I should have warned him it was very fragile, and I just didn't even think about it. The last time I went to turn it off, it almost came off of the house, so I knew it was not in good shape, and I should have told him. I'm just grateful that he fixed it and that he still wants to clean my front porch off for me. So I'm truly grateful and blessed for that help. So I'm gonna sign off by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed. I will see you all on the next video. Bye.